Hey guys, are you looking foldable drone with 4K HD camera? In this video I will show you top 5 best foldable drone with 4K HD camera to buy right now. I made this list based on my personal opinion and our research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more. To find out more information about these products you can check out the links down in the description. Also make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest technology video. Okay, so let's get started with a video.
Number 5.
Brand name, GAINBANG, model number, KF617. The KF617 has a flight time of up to 15 minutes and a range of 80 meters. You can expect about half of both those numbers in real-time flying. 360 automatic detection of surrounding obstacles to collisions and scratches, refusing to crash, damage and flying freely. Fixed height hovering, precise and stable flight, 1200 mAh high-capacity battery, lasting stable life. You can watch the drones from afar without delay by using your mobile phone. Built-in 4K HD dual wide-angle camera give wide-range high-definition pictures and video. The classic three-dimensional folding design feels right in your hand and guarantees stability in flight even after thousands of folds. Optical flow fixed point hover provides stable flight.
Number 4.
Brand name, KFPLAN, model number, KF106 Max. KF106 Max drone is equipped with 3-axis stabilized gimbal. During flight, the camera remains stable in the air as if standing still, and the image is silky and smooth. 7.4 volt 2200 mAh high capacity smart battery. 22 minutes flight time allows you to fly in the air for a long time. The 4 brushless motors have strong power, and the 5-level wind resistance can fly easily even on the windy coast. Fixed point surround. Find the center point of the surround and then use the joystick to move the desired orbiting radius. The obstacle avoidance device can scan the surrounding obstacles at a distance of 20 meters in real time and automatically stop and issue a warning when encountering obstacles to ensure flight safety.
Number 3.
Brand name, Huawei, model number, S98. The RC drone adopted 360-degree infrared sensing design, automatically avoid obstacles encountered, which can effectively refuse to crash. Advanced feeling paddle made of special materials and not only has super high flying skills but also presents you with flagship image texture, breaking through the tradition and making great achievements. Built-in dual HD camera lenses, real-time transmission, capture stunning pictures and videos from the sky. RC drone quadcopter equipped with bright LED light which can be switched freely after starting, which makes night more exciting. According to the strict design of the human hand, it has a better feel. Stable flight deployment allows the UAV to keep a high hover at all times without the need to hold the throttle, which is easy for beginners to play. Foldable design, compact size, easy to carry and storage.
Number 2.
Brand name, GRAYCEWODY, model number, S2S. The front lens is placed with a wide-angled 6K high-definition Wi-Fi, and the bottom high-definition lens is equipped with optical flow to switch the camera angle. Easy to use, just need to master simple aerial photography flight skills. It can transmit the images collected by the camera in real time, and users can watch the images in real time through mobile phones, tablets and other devices. The height fixing function has the height keeping mode function, and the optical flow positioning and fixed point function has stable flight. 2.4 GHz anti-interference technology, 6-axis gyroscope, more stable flight, more convenient control. Ultra-long battery life of 3.7 volt 2000 mAh lithium battery with a battery life of about 25 minutes. Equipped with stability device, can fly steadily and take clear and stable shots.
Number 1.
Brand name, FLYRC, model number, KF102. This drone's with camera for adults 4K equipped with stable 2-axis gimbal camera which reduces blurring, provides better image stability. The 4K HD camera capture amazing pictures and videos which makes you enjoy any views from the lens. Dual antenna FPV transmission makes the video more stable. The drones with camera for adults 4K can resist 7 level provide you a stable and powerful fly experience. With built-in dual antenna, 5 GHz Wi-Fi FPV transmission of drone with camera ensures the high-speed real-time image enables you to enjoy smooth and clear live video from bird's-eye perspective. Choose a point and set a desired orbit height and radius. You can get an all-round display video of your interested point or be the center of the world. This high-powered drone is made with professionals in mind but is also great for beginners.